I'm Mike Anderson from Garage IQ, and if you've ever felt like your mechanic's bill is suspiciously high, you're not alone. In fact, according to a 2023 survey from the American Automobile Association, nearly 65% of American drivers said they don't fully trust their mechanics. Spark plug replacements are one of the easiest ways mechanics overcharge you. Some push new plugs way sooner than necessary, even though modern ones last 60,000 to 100,000 miles, sometimes more. But that's just the beginning. Here are 12 more ways mechanics nickel and dime you. Number 12. Unnecessary air filter replacements. This one's a classic upsell, and it's been going strong for decades. The logic is simple. The air filter is easy to access, cheap to replace, with a regular filter costing around $25, and most people have no clue what a dirty filter actually looks like. So, the second your car's in the shop, they'll pull it out, blow a little dust off in front of you and say, "You need a new one," which they'll charge you no less than $50 for. But unless you're always driving on dirt roads, most air filters last 15,000 to 30,000 miles. Number 11. Engine treatment additives. You're standing at the service counter, waiting for your oil change, and the mechanic casually mentions that they've got this premium engine treatment that'll clean out sludge and make your engine last longer. Sounds tempting, right? Don't fall for it. Most motor oils already contain detergents and additives designed to keep your engine clean. Adding more chemicals doesn't just drain your wallet, because mechanics charge up to $50 for basically doing nothing. It can actually mess with the precise formula your engine was designed to use. Your engine doesn't need miracle cures. Just stick to regular oil changes with quality oil, and your engine will thank you. Number 10. Premature coolant flushes. Now, this is where things start to get sneaky and expensive. Coolant or antifreeze is the liquid that keeps your engine from overheating. It flows through the radiator and engine, absorbing heat and keeping everything at a safe temperature. Your mechanic might casually suggest a coolant flush, claiming it's an essential preventative maintenance. Sometimes they even show you a jar of dirty-looking coolant, but it might just be one that they keep at the shop to deceive customers. In reality, most coolants last around 50,000 to 100,000 miles in vehicles, especially if you're using long-life coolant. Plus, a typical flush at the mechanic costs upwards of $100. Instead, just do it yourself for nothing more than $15 to $25. Also, you should check your manual for the exact time when you need to change your coolant. Number 9. Fuel injector cleaning. This one's a bit more technical, so let's break it down. Your fuel injectors spray gasoline into your engine's cylinders, just like a perfume bottle. Over time, carbon can build up around the tips, especially if you're running cheap gas or skipping oil changes. Now, some mechanics love to say this buildup ruins performance and gas mileage. And sure, if your injectors are completely clogged, that's a problem. But here's the thing. Modern fuels already contain detergent additives designed to keep injectors clean. In fact, the EPA actually mandates this for all gasoline sold in the US, so you probably don't need a fuel injector cleaning, especially not every 10,000 miles, as some shops suggest. And even if you do, you can get a professional-grade injector for just $20, while most mechanics will charge you around $80 to $120. Number 8. Transmission flushes. When your mechanic recommends a transmission flush, you need to hit the brakes hard. Not because your car doesn't need fresh transmission fluid, it absolutely does, but because a flush is often the worst way to do it. Here's why. A full flush hooks your transmission up to a pressurized machine that forces old fluid out and new fluid in. Efficient, right? Except that pressure can loosen debris that's been harmlessly sitting in the system for years, sending it into tiny valves and passageways where it doesn't belong. And once that debris blocks a passage, say goodbye to smooth shifting. Not just that, a flush at the mechanic could run you $250 to $350, while a proper drain and fill might cost $100 to $150. Number 7. Brake pad and rotor replacements. Let's be honest, brakes are one area where nobody wants to take chances. Mechanics know this, and they play on that fear every single day. But you need to know that brakes don't wear out overnight. Quality brake pads should last 30,000 to 70,000 miles, depending on how regularly you drive. As for rotors, they can go through at least 2 sets of pads before needing replacement. Yet plenty of shops recommend changing everything: pads, rotors, even calipers, all at once. Why? Because it turns a $200 brake job into an $800 payday. If they won't show you the parts, that's a red flag. Don't fall for it. Number 6. Exhaust system repairs. If you've ever been told your exhaust is about to fall off, you know where this is going. Exhaust system scams are an old-school favorite for one simple reason. Most people have no clue what their exhaust is supposed to look like, and even if they do, rust always looks worse than it really is. What they won't tell you is that surface rust on exhaust pipes is completely normal, especially if you live somewhere with rain, snow, or salted roads. Unless there's an actual hole or crack, that rusty pipe could easily last another 5 years. But once they convince you to replace it, you're looking at $500 to $1,200 for a system that didn't need replacing. Number 5. Suspension component replacements. This one hits close to home for a lot of guys, especially if you've driven your vehicle for years. One day, you bring it in for tires, and suddenly the mechanic says, "Your shocks and struts are toast." Here's where they get you. Suspension problems are hard to diagnose without actually driving the car, but they're also easy to exaggerate because most folks can't crawl under their car and check. And because suspension affects safety, people rarely argue. But even if you see seepage around your strut, it's still very fine. If you feel your ride getting floaty, or the car nosedives hard under braking, you might need shocks. But don't just take one shop's word for it. Ask to see the parts while the car's up on the lift. Because trust me, these guys charge $500 to $2,000 for absolutely nothing. Number 4. Power steering flushes. The power steering is one of those systems most people never think about until the steering gets stiff or starts whining like a toddler. And that's exactly why some mechanics push power steering flushes at completely unnecessary intervals. This usually happens when you go for a maintenance check. They say your power steering fluid looks dirty. Maybe they even dip a strip into the fluid and show you a color chart. They usually ask you to pay around $90 to $150 for a flush. But here's what they're not telling you. Most modern cars, especially anything built in the last 10 to 15 years, use synthetic power steering fluid designed to last at least 100,000 miles, sometimes for the life of the vehicle. Unless you've got a leak, contamination from water, or visible metal flakes, flushing that fluid early does nothing but drain your wallet. Number 3. Battery replacement. Even if you escape every other scam on this list, the battery scam will almost always get you. Now you go in for a tire rotation, and the mechanic comes back and saying, "Your battery's testing shows it's weak and they can replace the battery for you." Except half the time, that weak reading is total garbage. Here's why. Modern battery testers are notoriously sensitive, and they can flag a perfectly healthy battery if the test is done right after you've started the car when the voltage naturally dips for a moment. Some shops even test batteries when they're slightly undercharged, giving you a low reading on purpose so they can push a sale. The cost difference is staggering. If you let your mechanic upsell you, expect to pay anything from $250 to $350. On the other hand, if you buy a quality battery yourself at an auto parts store, and you're looking at $120 to $180. Number 2. Tire replacements. You don't need. Tires are expensive. Everyone knows that. So when a mechanic tells you your tires are worn out, your first instinct might be to believe them. After all, nobody wants to mess around with bad tires. But this is one of the most abused upsells in the game, and it's all because of tread depth confusion. Here's how they play you. They pull out a tread gauge and show you some scary low number, usually something between 330 seconds and 530 seconds. However, the legal requirement for most states is 230 seconds. And while replacing a little early is smart, replacing at 530 seconds of an inch is borderline robbery. Plus, they charge you anywhere from $600 to $1,200 for a new set of tires depending on your car, which is absurd. But even the US Tire Manufacturers Association says most all-season tires still perform safely down to 30 seconds in dry weather. If you're mostly commuting on dry pavement, you could easily get another 5,000 to 10,000 miles out of those tires. Number 1. The tune-up that doesn't actually exist anymore. All right, this is the granddaddy of all mechanic scams, especially if you remember how cars were in the 70s and 80s. Back then, tune-ups were real. You adjusted carburetors, replaced distributor caps, changed spark plugs, and dialed in timing. It was a regular thing, but modern cars don't need tune-ups unless you're customizing your engine. Most engines today have computer-controlled ignition, self-adjusting timing, and long-life spark plugs that go 100,000 miles. The old-school tune-up has been replaced by routine maintenance items: oil changes, air filters, spark plugs when they're actually due, and fluid checks. But the term tune-up stuck around because it's familiar, and mechanics know you'll pay for it without asking questions. The real scam is the price. When a shop sells you a tune-up package, it's usually just a bunch of basic services, maybe plugs, an air filter, and some fluid top-offs, bundled together for $300 to $600. The actual parts? They might cost $60 in total. What you should do is avoid any mechanic that brings this up. They're just trying to scam you. At the end of the day, the best weapon you have is knowledge. The more you understand your own car and how maintenance really works, the harder it is for anyone to pull these tricks on you. If this video helped you spot these scams, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more money-saving automotive knowledge.